We'll be back with our art challenge a little later. But first of all, let's go through all of that with our English language expert, Rob, from the British Council. Hi, Rob.
Hi, Ashlie. Oh dear, Stephen has a lot to learn about art.
I know. He really did think that rubbish bin was a piece of art.
Well, it isn't always easy to tell what art is it?
No.
Anyway, after watching that, I've got a question for you.
Go on.
Do you know what an article is?
Yeah. It is something you read in a newspaper or a magazine.
Well, yes, it is. But for people who are learning English, articles are a, an, and the. And it can be very difficult to learn how to use them properly.
Really? They're just little words like, this is a pen.
Okay, but is it a pen or the pen? Let's have a look at some examples.
We're at an art market. It's a kind of market where artists sell their art. I'm going to make some art, come back to the market and sell it. Brilliant idea, huh?
So the first time you said we're at an art market. It's an and not a because art starts with a vowel sound. And it's also an because the person you're speaking to doesn't know which art market it is. There are lots of art markets, and this is just one of them, an art market. But the second time was different. Watch again.
I'm going to make some art, come back to the market and sell it.
Now, the second time, you said you were going to come back to the market. Why the market and not a market?
Because it's the art market. It's obvious.
Yeah, that's right. When we all know which art market or which thing we're talking about, we use the.
It doesn't sound too difficult to me, Rob.
Well, it is difficult because some languages don't have any articles.
Really?
Yes, Russian, for example, doesn't have any articles in the way English has.
Ah, okay. That's strange.
And there are some special rules too, like we say the sun and the moon, but not the Mars.
Okay, I see. It is a bit complicated, isn't it?
It is, but I always tell my students just to remember 3 golden rules. Let's watch.
Yeah, excellent idea. Except one thing, you're not an artist.
Rule number 1. When you say your job, always use an article, a or an. So I'm a teacher, you're an actress, and that's why Stephen said you're not an artist. Here's rule number 2.
We're at an art market.
Sounds like a challenge. And the winner gets to keep all the money we make. Agree?
We're at an art market. Sounds like a challenge. The winner gets all the money. When you have a singular noun, art market, challenge, winner, it always has an article. It can be a, an, or the, but a singular noun always has an article. Or it has a determiner, like his or her or my. Like this.
Ashlie wants to buy some art for her flat.
Her flat. And here's rule number 3.
Art is all about ideas. It's a kind of market where artists sell their art.
When we talk about things in general, we don't use an article. So, art is about ideas, not the art, because it's art in general. So we say cats like mice, not the cats like the mice, because we're talking about all cats and all mice. That's why you said it's a market where artists sell their art. Not the artists, because it's all artists. Artists in general. See what I mean?
I guess so. It's trickier than I thought.
It is, but those 3 rules will help you avoid the most common mistakes. And you've just said the other thing that I want to have a look at.
Typical Ash. You choose the biggest thing in the market for your tiny flat.
Well, yeah, I guess it is a bit too big. What do you think, Stephen?
I guess he's trying to make us think about the modern world.
I guess. You and Stephen use it quite a lot. I guess it's a bit too big. I guess he's trying to make us think. So what does I guess mean?
I think, I guess. I mean, it means I'm not sure, but I think, right?
Perfect. I'm not sure, but I think, I guess. And I guess that's all we have time for.
You're right, Rob. But thanks again, and we'll be speaking to you a bit later.
Mau jago bahasa Inggris dalam waktu singkat? Hubungi kami di WhatsApp 0895863863 𝘠𝘓𝘠𝑚𝑛 53881 sekarang.